If you were born broke, it's not your fault. But if you stay broke, that's on you. Most people were never taught the truth about money. They work harder, but never seem to get ahead. Today, I am going to show you how to build real wealth. Even if you're restarting with absolutely nothing. No rich parents. No lucky break. Just the rules the wealthy understand that no one else teaches. Stick around till the end, because the last principle could completely shift how you think about money forever. And hey, if you're serious about changing your financial future, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell. We drop real, actionable content every week to help you build wealth from the ground up. Part 1. The biggest lie about money. Here's the first truth. Hard work alone does not build wealth. We've been told, if you work hard, you'll succeed. But the reality is, millions of people work hard their entire lives and still struggle financially. Why? Because wealth isn't just earned. It's built with leverage. Leverage means using tools, systems, money, or skills to multiply your impact. Wealthy people don't just trade time for money. They use leverage to make money work for them. A YouTuber earns money while sleeping. An investor earns income from assets. A business owner has a team generating revenue around the clock. If you want to build wealth, you need to think in terms of leverage, not labor. Part 2. Pay yourself first. The first rule of building wealth: pay yourself first. Most people get paid, cover bills, spend money, and try to save what's left. But there's never anything left. Wealthy people flip that. They save or invest 10 to 20% of every dollar before spending anything else. Even if you're starting with just $50 a month, start. Set up an automatic transfer. Build the habit before you build the fortune. Remember, consistency beats intensity. Part 3. Invest in assets, not liabilities. The second rule is this: buy assets, not liabilities. Assets are things that make you money over time. Liabilities are things that take money out of your pocket. Assets include stocks, real estate, online businesses, index funds. Liabilities: that brand new car you didn't need, that $1,000 phone upgrade. Stuff that feels good now, but costs you long-term wealth. You don't need to be rich to start investing. You need to start investing to ever get rich. Part 4. Invest in yourself first. Here's what every millionaire and billionaire will tell you. The best investment is in yourself. Learn skills that make you valuable. Communication, sales, marketing, investing, * tech, skills pay bills. And high-income skills build freedom. Use free resources, YouTube books, podcasts, online courses. The more you learn, the more you earn. Part 5. Build systems, not just goals. Most people set goals, like I want to save $10,000 but never follow through. Why? Because goals don't create results. Systems do. Create systems like automatic savings, weekly budget reviews, monthly net worth tracking, * daily reading, or learning habit. Wealth isn't built on hype. It's built on habits. You don't rise to the level of your goals. You fall to the level of your systems. Conclusion: most people stay broke not because they're lazy, but because they never learned how money really works. Now you know. So here's your next step. Pick one habit from this video and start it today. Is it paying yourself first? Starting to invest? Learning a new skill? Drop it in the comments. I want to know what you're working on. And if you want more real talk about money, investing, and building freedom, subscribe now and turn on notifications. You weren't born to just survive. You were meant to build. Let's build wealth from nothing together.